Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to present you with recent updates about the stock market. Okay, so today Nifty 50 and Sensex has gone up by 3.25% and 3.39% respectively, which is huge if we consider a daily parameter. Okay, so in the previous week it was devastating. The stock market, there was a bloodbath all over the Nifty 50 as well as in the Sensex, and FPIs or the foreign portfolio investors, they were bearish about the election results, the Lok Sabha results that is going to come up tomorrow. Okay, and they were basically figuring out a better investment opportunity in China. Okay, where a resurrection of the stock market is happening in China, so that's why they were investing heavily in China. Okay, and they were divesting from India for the time being. Okay, and average common people, the retail investors and traders, they were actually very much anxious regarding the results of the election of the Lok Sabha election 2024, and that's why they were just booking profits and escaping from the stock market. Okay, so that was the scenario of the last week, and the volatility index of the Indian stock market, it surged down by 83%. Okay, that's a great margin. Okay, and it was premonition that the election results might come against the Bharatiya Janata Party or the BJP. I'm not being political. Okay, but after the last phase of the election, it is now speculated that from the exit poll survey that BJP might secure a landslide victory in the Lok Sabha election 2024. So that is the scenario, and it has driven sentiment of the investors and traders heavily. Okay, and that's why we are witnessing a huge uprise in the stock market today. Okay, so we have already witnessed it, and this rally might continue for the upcoming a few days. Okay, and the HNI or the high net worth individuals and the retail traders, they are at present holding record future positions of 1.61 lakh crores. Okay, of INR in the Indian stock market. The foreign portfolio investors, they have also come up. Okay, they are holding stock futures worth rupees 39,300 crores. Okay, and I have figured out this data from Nuvama research data. Okay, so these are verified. Okay, so they are holding massive position in the Indian stock market right now. So it has actually boosted the growth of the Indian stock market uh, today as well. Okay, so according to the exit poll survey, it is now expected that the BJP uh, will come with a majority. Okay, and if this particular political party comes up with a majority, then the present financial regulations and policies will continue, of course. Okay, and this expectation can boost the market even further in the upcoming a few days. So we might see a bullish trend in the stock market, in the Indian stock market, including the Nifty and other government stocks for the upcoming a few days. Okay, so there are other tailwinds as well. There are various other macroeconomic factors which I am going to discuss about. Okay, this can boost the Indian stock market in the long term. Okay, even if the election results don't turn out according to the expectations of the common people, still it can boost, these factors can boost the Indian stock market in the long term. Okay, so in the financial year 2023 to 24, GDP has grown by the domestic product of India, or GDP, has grown by 8.2%, and in the previous financial year it had increased by 7%. So India has surpassed a lot of emerging economies as well as the major economies of the world in terms of its GDP growth in the present financial year, which is massive. Okay, apart from that, fiscal deficit has come down by 5.63% in the last year. Okay, and according to the analysts or experts, in this year it can come down even further. Okay, GST acquiring has increased by 10% in the month of May. of 2024, and it amounts up to 1.73 lakh crores. Okay. Apart from that, if we consider the macroeconomic factors, price of crude oil has come down to 81.37 US dollar per liter. Okay, so in the international market, of course, so this can bring down the import cost for India. Okay, so the price of crude oil has been fluctuating between 80 to 85, so it can benefit India massively. Okay, aside from this, monsoon has appeared before time in Kerala, and according to the Indian Meteorological Department, more rainfall will occur in this year compared to the previous years, and this is raising the hope for good cultivation. Okay, for the agriculturalists. So agricultural production is expected to to increase. Okay, and manufacturing and construction growth has been something around 9.9% in this financial year. Mining and quarrying growth has been 7.1%. Okay. Aside from this, net taxes has gone up by 19.1% in this financial year 2024. Aside from this, investments has gone up by 9% in this present financial year. Moreover, financial services and consumption revival can boost the growth of the Indian stock market even further. So these are the basic tailwinds that can actually increase the nifty levels in the upcoming days. Okay, and upcoming months, of course. And aside from this, US election is going to happen in the month of December, so it will actually boost the Indian stock market as well, because USA is the leader of the global economy. Okay, so it will actually boost the Indian stock market as well. So, okay, so what should investors do? Okay, the market is at all-time high. Okay, and this is not a time to do bulk investing. Okay, you should be building your opportunity fund. You should invest, if you want to invest right now, you should invest 70% of your money and save 30% in fixed deposits maybe. Okay, so that if there is a major correction, or if there is a downtrend, then you can invest your money into good undervalued opportunities. That is the strategy of value investors. Okay, like Warren Buffett. We, as value investors, we should buy when the prices are going down, and we should sell when the prices are going up. So in this scenario, Adani stocks, the PSU stocks, railway stocks, infrastructure and defense stocks are going to skyrocket. Okay, these are now being termed as Modi stocks. Okay, Adani stocks like Adani Port, Adani Enterprises, these have skyrocketed already. PSU stocks like Indian Bank, okay, and GAIL, etc. companies are going to grow. Okay, railway stocks like RVNL has grown significantly. Okay, infrastructure and defense stocks like HAL, PNC Infra, Mazagon Dog, these companies have grown significantly in the recent a few days and a few months as well. Okay, but you need to be very much aware. Okay, if you are aiming at swing trading your money in these kind of stocks, and please avoid high debt companies like IRFC. Okay, because if you invest your money in high debt companies like IRFC, or in plenty of Adani companies, then if there is a major correction, then your money might get stuck, and you might not be able to revive it for months or even years. So it can happen. Okay, so be very specific and be very meticulous if you are aiming at swing trading your money in Modi stocks. Okay, because you will have to be correct twice while you are first of all when you are entering into these kind of stocks, and while you are exiting, while you are just going away, or you are just trying to book your profits from these stocks. Okay, these are the risky bets. Okay, so there are other undervalued opportunities like HDFC Bank, Zomato, Geo Finance, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank, all the private banks majorly, Bajaj Finance, Kalyan Jewelers. These stocks can grow in the long term. Okay, so these are not my recommendations. I'm not recommending you anything. Please understand the market dynamics very well. please be specific, and it's your money, of course. Study the market properly, study the individual companies, and accordingly invest your money. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.